Hello guys, for today's video I am going to discuss subtraction of integers. In fact, addition and subtraction of integers are partners. I hope you have been watching part 1 of sign numbers. This is regarding the addition of integers, okay? In subtraction of integers, we have the acronym of KCC. KCC means keep, change na magagamit natin sa subtraction of integers. Now, let's begin. Example, positive 18. Minus negative 22. Open parenthesis, negative 22. Close parenthesis. So, proceed tayo sa addition rules. So, kailangan natin i-keep ang minuend. Si 18 ay minuend. Ang minus na ito, ang tawag diyan ay subtraction. I-change din natin ito. So, keep minuend, change operation, at i-change din natin ang subtrahend para makuha natin ang difference. Okay? So, ikikip natin ang positive 18. At i-change natin ang operation na subtraction. Magiging addition ito. So, ang opposite ng negative ay positive 22. Sa addition rules, kapag positive plus positive, add mo ito. So, kapag in-add mo yan, then ikakopy mo yung same sign numbers sa addition rules. Okay? So, positive yan. So, let's answer this. Positive 18 plus positive 22, and the answer is positive 40. At masasagot na natin ang subtraction of integers, and that is positive 40. Sa mga exam, wala kang makikitang sign numbers. Understood na positive yun, okay? So, nilagay ko lang para madali mong maintindihan. Okay, another example. Negative 47 minus positive 58. So, proceed tayo sa addition rules. So, ikikip natin ang minuend na negative 47. At i-change natin ang operation na subtraction magiging addition. At ang opposite ng positive ay negative 58. So, lagyan mo siya ng open and close parenthesis to separate the operation. Okay? Sa addition rules, kapag negative plus negative, add mo yan. At i-copy mo yung same sign numbers that is negative. Okay. So, negative 47 plus negative 58, and that is negative 105. At masasagot mo na ang subtraction of integers, and that is 105. Clear? Another example. Positive 15 minus positive 25. So, proceed tayo sa addition rules. Ikikip natin ang positive 15 na minuend. Change natin ang operation na subtraction, magiging addition ito. At ang opposite ng positive ay negative. 25. So, lagyan natin ng open and close parenthesis to separate the operation. Sa addition rules, kapag positive plus negative, subtract mo ito at gayahin mo lang ang sign numbers na may bigger number. So, positive 15 plus negative 25. And the answer is 10. So, ang may bigger number ay negative 25. So, gayahin mo yung sign numbers nito. So, the answer is negative 10. At masasagot na natin ang subtraction of integers, and that is negative 10. Another example. Negative 19 minus negative 23. So, proceed tayo sa addition rules. So, ikikip natin ang negative 19. Change natin ang operation ng subtraction, magiging addition ito. At ang opposite ng negative ay positive 23. Sa addition rules, kapag 19, sa addition rules, kapag negative plus positive, subtract mo yan. At gayahin mo lang ang sign na mayroong bigger number. So, negative 19 plus positive 23, and the answer is 4. At ang may bigger number ay ang 23 na mayroong positive sign numbers. So, gayahin mo ang sign numbers nito. So, ito ay magiging positive 4. At ang subtraction of integers ay magiging positive 4. So tulad ng sinabi ko, sa mga exam, hindi mo makikita ang mga sign numbers na to. Understood na positive yan. So nilagay ko lang para madali mong malinawan. At ang isa pa, you need to master the addition of integers in order you can answer the subtraction of integers, okay? Until next time, thank you.